Alright, hey guys, this is John Hopper here again. Just wanted to do a quick video. I got a new DIY Cinemorph that I had 3D printed, and I got a new mic stand to allow my shotgun mic to be moved from atop my camera to right up here. It's actually about 1.5 feet away from my face. So this is a test for the audio quality, and then here's a test for the new DIY Cinemorph to see how the flares go. I'll put in some more clips at the end of it going in and out of focus, showing the bokeh going up and down with the stretch. So without further ado, here are those clips, and I'll talk to you guys later.